Hello friends, all animal, very beautiful animal. Wow, guys, very beautiful animal. Hey friends, all animal full mud. Wow, guys, all animals. So let's put them all in our basket. Wow, this is a basket, very beautiful basket. Wow, friends, these are all full of mud, but we will wash them. Wow, very beautiful animal, very amazing. Oh, friends, very beautiful animal, very amazing. Wow, guys, very beautiful. Oh, twice. Wow, friends, twice, very beautiful. Oh, very beautiful, amazing. Wow, guys, very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. Wow, ho, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow. Oh, wow, friends, all animal, very beautiful animal, very amazing. So, all friends, come quickly. Wow, friends, very clean water, cool water. Wow, oh, friends. Wow. Oh, so let's watch them and see which tribe animal they are. Oh, very beautiful. This is a horse, very beautiful horse. Oh, guys, what is this, guys? I think, wow, this is a giraffe, very beautiful. I love the chase and the hunt. Beautiful animal, very amazing. Hey, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is a train. Train, very beautiful train, very amazing toys. Oh, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, this is a tech. Tiger, very dangerous animal. Oh, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, very beautiful. This is the antelope.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Oh, very beautiful animal. Hey, guys, what is this, guys? I think, wow, this is a rhinoceros. Yes, very beautiful animal, amazing. Oh, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, very clean. This is a lion, very dangerous animal. Wow, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, this is a camel, very beautiful.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing
Beautiful animal, very amazing. Hey guys, what is this, guys? I think, wow, friends, very beautiful animal. This is a bear. Very amazing. Oh, what What is this, friends? I think, wow, this is a ship, a very beautiful ship. Sheep, this is a domestic animal. Wow, guys, what is this, guys? Wow, this is a leopard, very dangerous animal. Amazing. Oh, friends, small animal. What is this? Wow, this is a dinosaur. Dangerous animal. Wow, guys, what is this, guys? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is a giraffe Giraffe, very beautiful animal, very amazing. Ho ho, friends, what is this, friends? Wow, very clean. This is the army, very. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Beautiful army, very amazing. Wow, guys, what is this, guys? I think, wow, this is a cow. This is a domestic animal, very beautiful animal. Wow, guys, what is this, guys? I think, whoa, this is a dinosaur, very dangerous animal. Wow, friends, all animal, very clean, very beautiful animal, very amazing. So let's, friends, today we seem to have got some good toy animal, very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. Wow.